It's few weeks to the end of the year, and everyone wants to know how it plays out. Where's the cash? Where are we going to get the monies to buy the chickens and the rice for this end of year? Hopefully. But let's go to the market and see what is playing out. Maybe some more money is going to come into your account. Equities trader at Securities and Funds, Jamiu Mohammed, a friend of the house, joins me to continue this conversation. Mr. Mohammed, how are you today?
Good afternoon. I'm fine. It's a pleasure to be here on the program.
Same here. It's good to see you. The market is in red. What is happening? Take it away.
The market is red today, and it's one of these oscillation around the market prices, that market activities that we should expect. We don't want to experience every day's raining streak. It's not what we want, but it is activity, it's the behavior of the general market. You see market gaining today, tomorrow you see the rate. So that is one of the attributes of a sound market. So you see today, as we speak, you see market is in the red, losing is 0.15%. That's 15 basis points. If you look at the activities in the market, you also see that there's a decline of about 40% of what traded on Friday. We have trading above 6 billion on Friday, but as we speak today, the market traded just about 4 billion, 4.37 billion, and 358 million units of stock traded in the day. And if you look at this value traded, you see that Zenith Bank led the most traded stocks chart by 503 million naira worth of stock traded, closely followed by Access Bank with 474 million naira worth of stock traded, followed by the Good Power Plant, lastly with 424 million, and lastly with PFD Group, an investment company, follow suit by 385 million worth. If you look at this first stock, they traded about 1.78 billion, which is about 41% of total traded trades in the market today in terms of value. So when you look at the market, also you see market spreads close positive. What I mean by market spread is the number of gainers against the number of losers. You see we're 32 gainers against 15 losers. And when you see the market close in the red, what this one means is that the small cap stocks are the toast of investors. And if you see it in this manner, you will see that the small cap stocks were the one that gained more. But if you look at the loser chart, you will see that the mid cap are the one that lose. So in such a situation, you see the stocks that lost in the losers chart is one that pushed the market. They are the one that pushed the market to this current level that we have. So we have 32 gainers and also 15 losers. Out of the gainers, we have the gainers are led by Multiverse, ABC Transport, and C&I Leasing. Yeah. On the loser chart, we have Altibisco, we have Prestige, and we have Stanbic IBTC. So this is what we have as a close of market today.
I'm looking at that list. Mercure, Multiverse, ABC Transport, C&I Leasing, and NNFM. And for the losers, we have RT Briscoe, eTransact, Prestige Assurance, Stanbic IBTC, CWG. The banks are not really playing notably today. What is responsible for that?
That is not the true picture. Because, thank you for that observation. It's because those stocks that you mentioned, they have a larger percentage of gaining and also larger percentage of losing. But in the banking stock, you see they just have marginal losing streak. Okay. And if you look at the banking sector entirely, you see it lost about 0.36%. You know, I said earlier that the banking is always a leading indicator of where the markets may likely go. And the reason why markets lost about 0.15 when banking index lost about 0.36%. But in all, if you look at the year-to-day return on banking sector, is around in the region of around 70% from year-to-date return in banking sector. And when you look at the general market, the trading is around 38% year-to-date to report. But answering your question straight away is just that because of the number of gainers, the margin of gaining in banking sector is not that wide, and also the margin of losing in the banking sector is not that wide. That is why you cannot find them in the top losers or the top gainers.
Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, equities trader, APT Securities and Funds Limited, thank you so much for your inputs.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Tony.